Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to connect Odoo with Microsoft Excel using this our Dev Excel Odoo connector. So let's see about it, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Excel Odoo connector. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to users, go to anyone and see here these options. Allow Excel Odoo connector. First allow this, let's save, do refresh, and now go to Excel integration. Create new template like a test Odoo connect. Select model like a cell order, and if you want to apply any domain, so click on new role and I set salesperson. Admin. Select here field like a name and another is a total. Let's see. URL is generated after click on generate token. So first click on this button and see here now URL is generated. Now go to Microsoft Excel, go to sheet and link to external data. Your generated URL is copy and paste here. And I want to update every 1 second. And see here, your data is successfully exported here. Display name and total. I did select total to field, so display with both. Order number 45 amount is 23,230, but I want to update. So go to this order. Go to 45 number of order and update. Select any product and price is 500. Another is the conference share and price is 600. Let's see. So see here now total is 24,405. So go to Excel and see here automatically updated 45 number order and this total is updated. It means using this module any changes in Odoo instant appear in Excel sheet. And display here this archive. If you want to archive this template, so easily click on and display here archived template and easily do unarchive. Now display in unarchived. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.